Well, the time now is 8:05, and that means it is time to create with Quimby.
Our DIY queen, Shannon Quimby, is back with the perfect project to help make your home look nice and festive this holiday season. Hey, Shannon, good morning.
Good morning, you two. How are you?
We're
Great.
good. Okay, we're skipping ahead here to Christmas because this is a super cute craft, a green lattice wreath.
Yeah, and so for me, actually, this could be something that you could use year round. So that's why I wanted to start. Yeah, we could start early and can show how you can take it into the holidays and even go through all the seasons, okay?
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. So what inspired me about this was actually my summer to-do list. I had leftover lattice wood from an outdoor project, and I thought, well, instead of throwing it away, why don't we make it into something like this?
Oh, sure.
Okay?
Wow.
Yeah. So that's what this is. This is lattice. And of course, I go down to Parr Lumber, talk to Kent over on MLK. And what you want to do is you're going to cut it at one angle. Now you can use a miter saw, which I always like to use, or you can, as I always say, ask a neighbor or go down to Parr.
Okay.
And yep. And so you're going to get, it's 26 pieces, and I'm going to hold this up so you can see. So we're going to start this 26 pieces from 2 feet long to about 3 inches.
Okay.
And they're in pairs. And we cut them in all at a 45-degree angle. And I want to make it, notice it's the same angle, same direction. See this?
Gotcha. Okay, that helps keep it easy. Yeah.
Correct. And I'll give you the visual as to why. So this is the longest piece, which is 2 feet, all the way to the shortest, like this.
Okay.
Perfect.
Right? All right. So now, basically all you're doing is you're just going to be layering the wood. It's very simple. I started it already for you, and I'll lift it up. So these are the 2 longest pieces. Now remember I said at the 45-degree angle?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So I want the 45-degree angles to go inward to each other every single time.
Oh.
So they go inward. Yeah. Now, see this hole right here?
Yeah.
Okay. A cheater on that is you get a glass. So you get a glass.
Smart.
Oh, there you go. That's a good guide.
Yeah, you get a glass, and then you're going to put it through this. And as you start layering the long pieces to the short pieces, that keeps that circle unified.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay? Yeah, and so just for TV purposes, I would recommend using a wood glue or like a Gorilla Glue, because then you can use this project can be indoors or outdoors.
Okay.
Once again, right? All season long. But for TV, I'm going to use a glue gun.
So
And
if this was going to be an indoor only thing, you could just glue gun it together real quick.
yeah,
Okay.
that's a great, yeah, duh. Yeah, you're good. Look at you.
But I love that this is so this is like this is no nails, no screws, no crazy hardware. If you can glue, you can craft.
Yes, yes. And then when you're done, I'm going to show you, see how it stacks?
Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool.
Whoop, like that.
Nice.
And then I used now you can keep it neutral, you can keep it natural. I used this spray paint. You would want to spray paint outside. This is called green apple, and that's the color I'm using here. But the best thing about this is that, like I said, all season long, you can spray paint it a different color.
Yeah,
Oh, there
you can
go.
get festive with it. You can do some like red stripes with the green or something.
Yeah, or I was thinking it almost looks like it could be like little leaves if you did different fall colors, make it like a little leaf wreath.
Exactly, and you can embellish it. You can actually glue leaves. You can actually glue dried leaves. It's a great family project. You can take it outdoors. You can embellish it. You can keep it simple, and that's what I love about this project. And like you said, Emily, there's no nails. There's no big apparatus that you got to do it. You're just basically layering piece by piece, and you get something like that.
I love it. Okay, and now you are actually going to be giving away some of the wreaths that you have made, so tell us about it.
Yeah, so all you got to do is go to Parr Lumber's Facebook page or Instagram page, and I'm giving this one, and once I finish spray painting this one, I'm going to be giving them away. And so you just go to their page for the details. It's free, it's easy, and this could be on your front door.
Fantastic.
Nice.
I love this one. Very cute.
Yeah, very, very festive, but I like how you can make it last for more than just one time of the season. You can really let it expand
That's
season-wise.
Shannon, always practical.
Yep. Thank you, Shannon. Always appreciate your time.
See ya.
All right, and we'll of course post the directions and product information online at coin.com as well. What I love about these segments, I'm not a crafty person.
You could do that,
but I feel
right?
like I can like she walks you through it to a point where like even a Travis can do it. So.
Right? Even a Travis can do it, and everyone will think that you bought it from some fancy store.
Right. Super
I love
fancy.
it. It's great. Hey,